Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful macrame bracelet with Pandora style charms. Look guys, I made lots of different color combinations. You can choose your favorite. And let's get started. For our work, we need all those materials. Nylon cord, 1 millimeter thickness, light pink and bright pink. Also nylon cord, 2 millimeters, bright red. Pandora style charms, 2 pieces. Pair of scissors, lighter and ruler. For start, I need to cut one piece of 80 centimeters length. 80 centimeters. Fold in half. Place the charm here. Make a knot at the end. So charms are going to be here. Then place this cord on your base. And stick it. So this way. So 40 centimeters is going to be the length of our bracelet. Those are going to be leading cords. Next step, take 2 cords, light pink and bright pink. Cut the piece of 1 meter and 10 centimeters. And cut. Next, I need to connect them together so they seal them together. It's a little bit tricky, so use lighter, and I need to very fast connect them. Here, take your base, light pink and bright pink cords, put them under our leading cords and make the square knot. That part's supposed to be another side. See? The front side is supposed to be invisible. When we did one square knot, we need to take one leading cord, one working cord, and working cord put on the top of leading cord and make the loop this way. And next is going to be under leading cord. You see, this loop is visible. The same we're going to do with left side. Take the leading cord And working cord first is going on the top, and then under. Also, this loop is visible. Now take two leading cords together and make square knot. You see? Again, working cord first is on the top of leading cord. That is the first knot, then under. And on the left side the same. First on the top, and then under. And one square knot together. Those colors are very beautiful for St. Valentine's Day. You can make this bracelet for yourself, or for your friend, for your girlfriend, for your mom, for your daughter, for your sister, as a gift. And square knot. First on the top, then under leading cords. And continue. For example, in this bracelet, let's count how many square knots I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 total. This bracelet is adjustable also. You can make it a little bit tighter if you want. We have extra. Here's a tip, guys. If you choose the colors for this type of the bracelet, I recommend to choose the contrast colors. So this one is darker, this one is lighter. We used also darker and lighter. If you use two lighter colors, the pattern will be pretty invisible. That is the last square knot. I need to take the scissors and cut the rest by leaving a couple of millimeters. And we need to seal those ends. See? It's very beautiful. Now I need to cut this bright rose color. The piece, one piece is 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters. Fold in half. This way. Put those ends of our bracelet together. And here I need to do square knot. Half. It's half. And I need to pull it very tight. Those square knots supposed to be very strong made. So one, I need to do 6. So that part, guys, this, see, very strong. One. Two. As strong as you can. Pull those threads. 3. 4. 5 and the last one. Here I'm going to do the same. So cut the ends by leaving a couple of millimeters and seal. For now it's pretty tight, it's a good thing. After wearing a couple of days it's going to be softer. Now I need to take my other bead. It's here, hiding for me. And look, guys, here's going to be the length. I left 8 centimeters here. If you wanted to leave a little bit longer, you can leave as we have now, or also you can make knot a little bit closer to the bracelet. Here you need to cut the rest and also seal the edge. Our bracelet is ready. It's very beautiful, very great gift for St Valentine's Day. It's very stylish, fancy. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye, guys. Also, those bracelets are available at my Etsy shop. The link on the shop is down below in description. Check it out, guys.